Fuck you, you're no better than the motherfucking rapist. And if you don't like the swearing, this motherfucker force from me, and reckon it shows moral or intellectual paucity, then fuck you, motherfucker. This is language one employs, who one is a little bit cross at motherfuckers fucking boys. Yep. And I don't give a fucking calling the Pope a motherfucker means you unthinkingly brand me, and I'm thinking apostate. This has now to do with other fucking godly motherfuckers. I'm not interested right now in theological debate. There are other fucking songs and there are other fucking ways. I'll be a religious apologist on other fucking days, but the fact remains, if you protect a single giddy fucker, then Pope or Prince or Plumber, you're a fucking motherfucker, yeah? And I don't give a fuck what any other motherfucker believes about Jesus and his motherfucking mother. I've no problem with the spiritual beliefs of other fuckers, while those beliefs don't impact on the happiness of others. But if you